I get a lot of questions about how to get the email icons throughout the system to work, especially from new users. So this video I'm going to try to go through a lot of different situations to show you how to get these to work. A lot of it's dependent on whether you're on a Mac or a PC, as well as what type of email you're using, as well as what browser you're using. So I'll try to go through everything. Keep in mind though, this is dependent on nothing being updated, whether it be, in Windows or in Mac OS or your browsers. But typically, if the process changes, it only slightly changes. So to start out, just to kind of explain what these email icons are, they're actually called mail to links. They used to be really popular on websites like contact us buttons, which have been kind of replaced with forms. But all those do is tell your computer to open up an email ready to be sent with whatever your default email program is. And they are actually a link, just like you would click on a link to go to a website. The only difference is they start with the word mail to. That tells your computer to open it up in your email program. So a couple of things to note. First, if these work or did work before and then now all of a sudden they don't, try clicking a couple of different email icons in different sections. For example, go to, say, a client's profile and click on the one next to their email address. And the reason I say that is because since these are a link, the link actually contains a lot of things in it. So if I just go to my email templates here, in this case the link is going to contain the email address of the client, the subject of the email, and the body of the email. So this would make a pretty long link. And some browsers have limits on how long those links can work before it just flat out won't work. So if you try clicking the one next to the client's email address, you can select a blank email and see if that works. If that works, but say the final payment one on your dashboard doesn't work, that will tell you that your template is too long for that email icon in the current browser that you're using. So my experience is Chrome has the shortest limits, so if you want to keep it this long or longer, and that's what's holding you up or that's what's causing the problem, you're going to have to switch browsers. Firefox tends to allow the longest links, so you can switch to Firefox. Otherwise, if you do want to continue to use Chrome, you're going to have to make this shorter somehow for it to work. The other thing to consider when you're trying to figure this out is what happens when you click one. If none of them work, does it just open a blank page in another tab in your browser? Or is it opening in the wrong email program? So I'll show you how to fix all of that. So there are two different types of email programs. There are web-based emails like Gmail or Yahoo Mail or something like that, where you go to an actual website in your browser, like this for my Gmail. Then there are also programs you can install into your computer, like I have Outlook, for example, or Apple Mail is another one. Windows comes with Windows Mail, so a lot of times by default it will default to Windows Mail, which you may or may not use. So if you have a program installed to your computer and you're on a PC, to change the settings for that is in your control panel. So I'm on Windows 11 here, but Windows 10 has a little type here to search box here. I'm just going to search here, and I'm going to search for control panel, and I'm going to pull that up. And then in your control panel, there's another search box up here, and you just want to start typing default. And you'll see this default programs. You're just simply going to click here. You're going to select to set your default programs. And then you're going to, you can type in here, mail to, and you can see my default is Outlook, which is what I use. So now when I click an email icon in VCRM, it's going to open up an Outlook just like it should. So that's where you set that. Now if you're using a PC and you're using a web-based program, you're going to want to change this to whatever browser you use. So Chrome, for example. Change that to Chrome, and then you can close this. Now it likely still won't work. Let's just say you're using Gmail. That's the most common question I get a lot of. So let's say you're using Chrome and Gmail, and you click the email icon, and it just opens a new tab with the link in there, but it doesn't actually open in Gmail. Now you need to tell Chrome that Gmail is your default email program. Now, first try just signing into your Gmail account and look for this icon right here. This is called the handlers icon. You may or may not see that when you're in Gmail. If you don't, you can just close out of Gmail and then open a new tab, and you're going to want to go to Chrome //settings/handlers, and that will take you to this screen. Now, a lot of times it will show as blocked or not allowed or something like that down here, because in the past you may have said you don't want it to open emails in Gmail, so you may have it blocked. So you can hit the little 3 vertical dots and remove those, and then I always just turn it off and then turn it back on just to do kind of a reset. And then once you've done this, then open up Gmail again and you should see this icon. And all you have to do is click here and then click allow and then click done. Once you've done that, you should be able to go back to VCRM, click the email icon, and it should work. Chrome is probably the hardest browser to find that in. I honestly have not found a way to get directly to this screen without typing in this direct link. I don't know how to find it throughout the settings. You may have luck, but you can see I've got this blocked now that I went through that process and clicked that button. So you're going to need to click the X there. Anyway, Firefox, for example, is you can just go to settings and then scroll down to the applications section and then look for mail to, and then you're going to change this to Firefox or Gmail if it's an option. I don't know if it might have Gmail direct. Yeah, use Gmail as an option. So you'll select that, and then in your control panel you would make Firefox your default. If you are on a Mac and you're using Apple Mail or say Outlook, the settings for that is found in Apple Mail. I don't have a Mac to show you, but I can tell you from experience, if you just open the Apple Mail, as of right now I think it looks like a stamp icon, and then go to File and Preferences, and then click on the General tab, it'll say Default Email Reader. You can change that to say Outlook or Chrome or whatever you need to, and then do the same process. If you are using Safari on a Mac, I believe at this time, there's not a real easy way to do that. You would have to download and pay for this extension. It's called Open in Webmail, and I have used this with Vacation CRM users in the past and verified it does work. But you have to buy this extension for Safari and then go through the settings to allow Gmail to open up. Much of the other browsers are very similar, not to this, but to how I showed you in Firefox or Chrome. You just have to go into your settings and select Gmail as your default. The only program or mail service that I have not found a solution for, and I've tried, is GoDaddy Webmail. When they have the kind of watered down version of Outlook or Office 365, the web version of that, I've yet to find a way to make that work in there. So my suggestion at that point would be to have your GoDaddy email go into a program on your computer like Windows Mail or Outlook or Apple Mail, and then you can just set that as your default. So if all else fails and something is updated between the recording of this video and when you're trying to change it, my advice would just to Google how to make whatever Gmail as default for mail to links in Chrome or something like that. And that should give you websites with instructions on how to do that. So give that a try. If you still can't figure it out, feel free to reach out to us for help. Thanks.